How to fix high RAM or processor usage in your Windows. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix if you have a high RAM or processor usage on your laptop. So the very first thing you can do is clean up your disks. In order to do that, you can open Run dialog box and then search for clean mgr, hit enter, select your drive. I'll just select C drive and then click on OK. Now you can select all of these here. I don't have much left since I've already cleared mine. You can select and check all of these boxes and then delete all of the files. Click on OK, and then it's going to permanently delete your temporary files. Once you have done that, the next step is to go to your Run dialog box and then open up your services. Go to services.msc and then click OK. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on any one of them, type in S. It's going to take you to the System Events Broker. Click on sysmain, right click on it. Since it's running, you're going to have to go to Properties first and then stop this. Once you stop this, make sure that you disable this and then click on Apply and then OK. Then you can also start it once again before you close it. Once that is done, it should prevent your high RAM usage as well as your processor. Then you're going to have to open up your Task Manager, right click on the taskbar and then go to Task Manager. Now, if you see 100% right here on top, that's totally normal when you open up your Task Manager. But if it keeps on a high percentage, then in that case, you need to find which application is taking most of your CPU usage. Currently, I'm using OBS to record this screen. That's why it's taking most of the space, but everything else looks pretty good to me. What I'm going to do is go to Performance and check for the CPU updates, CPU usage as well. So since I opened Task Manager here, it peaked on the top over here, but now it's pretty consistent. Then you want to go to Startup Apps. Make sure that all of these startup apps are disabled. If you have enabled something, let's say if I open up OneDrive and enabled it, if there are anything enabled, you might want to disable all the startup apps. Then just close it out. And once you have done that, go to the search bar and then search for System Properties. And then hit enter. Now, once you've done that, once you have your system properties open, you want to go to the Advanced tab and then click the settings option here on performance. Make sure you disable all of these animations. So go to custom and you can easily disable all of these. I'll just select on this for now, but you basically have to disable all of these options. And once that is done, click on Apply and then OK. It's going to significantly boost your CPU's performance. And you could also change your user profile. And if you go to System Protection, you can go to System Restore here. And then you can restore your system files and settings from here as well. Now that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.